Aloha, this is Imelda from Imelda's Jungle, and today I have to take a video of my first tower garden that I planted with a lot of kangkong in Filipino, and it's a water spinach in English, because this is the favorite of my family. So I'm experimenting what will be the result in the tower garden, and it's amazing. Supposed to be this kangkong is a smaller plant, but it become huge in the tower garden for only 1 month since I move the plant from the soil and move it to the tower garden. So this is the video of the exact first tower garden of mine, because I have to harvest it and cook it today. So thank you for watching, and it works. So planting kangkong or water spinach in a tower garden is successful. So if you want to ask some question, just send me a message and I will be answering your question. Thank you so much. Bye.